This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Litecoin today. Litecoin got my attention this morning, setting up here near the R4 Camarilla pivot level here, this purple line here. And the Camarilla pivot system, any currency pair or instrument that trades above the R4 level can trigger a long position. So I was looking for a long based on the way that Litecoin was setting up here near the open. A few technical issue or two with that, but we'll evaluate it and see exactly how things worked out. Then we'll come down here on the 4 hour. We can see here this range that I have Litecoin in this morning here on the 4 hour chart. This is the range that I have set, and looking for it to either break out above or below this range, and we can see it breaks out above this range this morning. And then over here on the 15 minute, I'll walk you through my entry process here on the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, looking for this price action here, this candle, basically this price action here in this area. This is the in timing with the open of New York market here. So with that, this is where I'm going to generally look for price action, and we can see the range here that I set for Litecoin in the pre-market. So this candle here, this is the New York open right here. So everything before this is all pre-market price action. So all of this. And then this is the range based on this being the last or the previous week high, since if I zoom out, you'll see that Ethereum was being bought up from the, or at least here even, this being the R3 Camarilla pivot here. We can see the price action being bought up here into the R4 Camarilla pivot here. So we can see the price action being bought up. So this being the previous, or this being for the New York open, this being the last strong high, and this candle here being the last strong low here, setting this range, this pre-market range here. So with that in mind, I want to see a breakout here at the R4 level to go long on Litecoin. It fails here to penetrate the R4 level, but it comes within a few cents. So it may break out later. Just trying to get the entry. I already had set a limit order out. Ideally, once I see the setup, and I want to set a limit order just to take the psychological strain of timing or this or that, just to go ahead and have an order in the market. I don't mind having liquidity in the market. There are trades that I do have to take market orders in for either because I make an error or I'm late to take the position, or for any other reason. But I was set up for this particular position, so I had an entry set right here at this candle, right at the open of this sell candle, which I considered an order block, and also this is the lower end of the zone or the range that Litecoin was trading in here in the pre-market. So I set an entry here and set my stop just below, a few cents below this candle here. And we can see here at the New York Open, in this candle right here, my target was, my limit order was hit here. And then I was able to take the price action up as buyers here in this candle were able to close above or breach the R4 level, close above, and then get continuation here. So even though the price action didn't set up ideally here with this candle, the fact that it pulled back to the order block and already had a limit set, I decided to go with the trade in the event that it could definitely, price action wise, before this point could have closed up here, broke out, and then over the course of the trading day, pull back, and then trade it higher. I mean, all of these things are possible. So just going ahead and having my limit order set, it just triggered before the price action broke out above the R4 level. In addition to that, other currency pairs had already broken out at the R4 level or were breaking out at the same time, just like with Ethereum. I also traded Ethereum today, and it broke out as well, and I wound up actually taking a market order entry because I didn't select the correct lower level here, the range. There were a bunch of dojis kind of similar to this area here, but much more elongated. So I had difficulty or was unaware if I had chosen the incorrect candle for the entry there. But this one worked out here just fine. And then I'll come out here, and then I actually took profits up here. This is the, what is this? This is the R7 level up here. This is the R7 level up here. This area here, we can see the elevated volume profile down here, and then target hit here. This was after the New York close. So this was, I believe, 5:30 Eastern time, where Tesla had earnings after the New York close today. And then at 5:30 had a Q&A or some type of press event where this price action occurred that got continuation of the trade here. And then this trade, as far as in target, I chose this target based on liquidity. So with this zone here, once LITECOIN broke above this zone and then broke out here with and then continued, I was looking for liquidity in these areas, and this was the area of liquidity that I wanted to target based on this candle, anything that was up here. And with that, the R7 level was the first level that was above this target here. And that level up here coincides about right there, which is right here, this R7 level here. And this wound up being a 5-to-1 trade, like a 5.6-to-1, but I'm just going to call it a 5.1 reward to risk ratio on this trade. So I think it worked out pretty well. But this is my trade on LITECOIN today. This is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.